Fire ants, scientifically known as Solenopsis invicta, are a highly aggressive species of ant that have gained significant notoriety due to their painful stings and their tendency to form large, densely populated colonies. Native to South America, fire ants have become an invasive species in many parts of the world, including the United States, Australia, and various parts of Asia. Their ability to adapt to a wide range of environments and their aggressive nature make them a formidable presence in ecosystems where they have been introduced. Fire ants are part of the larger ant family, Formicidae, and within their genus, Solenopsis, they are one of the most well-known and widely studied species. The fire ant's aggressive behavior, social structure, and ability to thrive in a variety of habitats have made them a subject of both scientific interest and public concern. One of the most defining features of fire ants is their ability to inflict painful stings. Unlike many other ant species that use their stingers primarily for defense or hunting, fire ants are known for their collective attacks on perceived threats. When a fire ant colony feels threatened, it responds with coordinated aggression, with multiple ants attacking simultaneously. Fire ants use their stingers, which are capable of injecting venom, to defend the colony and subdue prey. The venom they inject is a potent mix of alkaloids, which causes an intense burning sensation when it comes into contact with human skin. This is why fire ants are often referred to as fire ants, due to the burning feeling associated with their stings. These stings can cause severe reactions in people who are allergic to the venom, leading to anaphylaxis in rare cases. However, even in non-allergic individuals, fire ant stings are typically painful, leaving behind red, swollen welts that may persist for several days. The social structure of fire ant colonies is another fascinating aspect of their biology. Fire ants are eusocial insects, meaning they live in highly organized colonies with a division of labor between different castes. Each colony typically consists of one or more queens, numerous workers, and in some cases, males during mating season. The queen's primary role is to reproduce, laying thousands of eggs daily. Worker ants are responsible for foraging, defending the colony, caring for the young, and performing various other tasks that ensure the colony's survival. Unlike some other ant species, fire ant colonies can consist of multiple queens, a feature that contributes to their rapid expansion and aggressive nature. The presence of multiple queens allows the colony to grow faster than single queen colonies because more eggs can be laid in a shorter amount of time. Fire ant colonies are highly adaptive, and one of the reasons for their success as an invasive species is their ability to form new colonies quickly and efficiently. When a fire ant colony reaches a certain size, the queen will often produce winged ants known as alates. These alates take flight during a specific time of year, typically in the warm months, in a synchronized mating flight known as a nuptial flight. During this flight, male and female alates mate midair, and the fertilized female then lands to establish a new colony. This process allows fire ants to rapidly colonize new areas, spreading across large distances and occupying a variety of habitats, from urban areas to rural landscapes, and even agricultural fields. The ability to quickly establish new colonies is one of the reasons fire ants have been so successful in adapting to regions outside their native habitat. The fire ant's resilience is further demonstrated by its remarkable ability to build nests in a wide variety of environments. In their native range of South America, fire ants are typically found in open, disturbed areas such as fields and pastures. However, in regions where they have been introduced, fire ants can be found in a wide range of habitats, including urban environments, forests, and even suburban lawns. Their nests are often built underground, and fire ants are known for their ability to create complex networks of tunnels and chambers. These nests are highly structured, with different chambers for various functions such as storing food, caring for the queen, and housing the larvae. The surface of a fire ant nest is often marked by a characteristic mound of dirt that serves as the entrance to the colony's underground tunnels. The fire ant's diet is varied and opportunistic, making it highly adaptable to different environments. Fire ants are omnivores, feeding on a wide range of food sources, including insects, seeds, small animals, and even plant matter. They are also known to scavenge human food, which has made them a nuisance in many urban and suburban areas. Fire ants are particularly skilled at hunting other insects, and they are capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves, such as grasshoppers, small lizards, and other arthropods. Their aggressive hunting tactics, combined with their sheer numbers, make fire ants highly efficient predators. When they attack larger prey, they often swarm the target, using their stingers to subdue it and tear it apart. This cooperative hunting strategy allows fire ants to overcome prey that might otherwise be too large for an individual ant to tackle. One of the most remarkable aspects of fire ants is their ability to survive in harsh conditions. Fire ants are known to be highly resilient to environmental stressors such as drought, floods, and extreme temperatures. Their nests are designed to withstand flooding, with the ants using their bodies to form a floating mass that can float on water for extended periods of time. This ability to float has been observed in laboratory experiments, where fire ants were able to form living rafts to survive floods. In areas prone to flooding, this behavior can help fire ants escape inundated colonies and establish new ones in higher ground. Fire ants are also able to tolerate extreme temperatures, thriving in both hot and cold climates. This adaptability has contributed to their spread beyond their native range, where they have successfully colonized regions with varying climates. In addition to their ecological adaptability, fire ants have also had a significant impact on the ecosystems they invade. As an invasive species, fire ants often outcompete native ant species for resources, displacing them from their habitats. Their aggressive behavior and predatory nature allow them to dominate food sources, which can have a negative impact on other insect populations. In some cases, fire ants have been linked to the decline of native species, including other ants, ground-nesting birds, and small mammals. The impact of fire ants on biodiversity has led to concerns about their role in the disruption of local ecosystems. Additionally, fire ants are known to prey on the eggs and young of other species, further affecting the populations of these animals. Despite the challenges posed by fire ants, there are efforts to control their populations and mitigate their impact on ecosystems. In areas where fire ants have become a significant problem, various control measures have been implemented. These measures include the use of pesticides, biological control agents, and habitat modification. Pesticides are commonly used to reduce fire ant populations, but these chemicals can also have negative effects on other species and the environment. Biological control, on the other hand, involves introducing natural predators or parasites that target fire ants, such as specific species of parasitic flies or nematodes. These control agents have shown promise in reducing fire ant numbers, though they require careful management to avoid unintended consequences. Habitat modification, such as altering the environment to make it less suitable for fire ants, is another strategy that has been explored. This might include the removal of fire ant nests or changes to land management practices. Fire ants have also been studied for their potential to be used in various scientific applications. For instance, researchers have investigated the properties of fire ant venom, which contains a variety of bioactive compounds. Some of these compounds have shown promise in the development of new drugs, particularly in the field of pain management. Additionally, fire ants have been studied for their cooperative behaviors, which could provide insights into swarm intelligence and collective decision-making. Understanding how fire ants work together to accomplish complex tasks could have applications in robotics, artificial intelligence, and the study of social networks. In conclusion, fire ants are an incredibly fascinating and highly adaptable species that have had a significant impact on both natural ecosystems and human environments. Their aggressive behavior, complex social structure, and ability to survive in a wide range of conditions make them a formidable force in ecosystems around the world. While fire ants can pose a threat to native species and human health, they also offer valuable insights into the study of animal behavior, ecology, and even potential medical applications. The study and management of fire ants continue to be an important area of research as scientists work to better understand their biology, behavior, and impact on the world.